Hello and welcome back to Project Wraith. Today we are going to install some heavy-duty brake pads and rotors. I shouldn't say heavy-duty, more performance. We're going to get more stopping power out of this vehicle. It took quite a bit of finagling, ordering parts from all over the place to figure out which ones will work with this monster. Let's get into the video. I'm so excited. Again, my words aren't working. I have figured out how we can put performance brake pads and rotors on a P500 and a P400. We got brake pads, brake rotors all over the place. I'm gonna get this side done. I've already done the other side. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Cue the intro. All right, there you have it. The install went super smooth. It totally helps when you got a much newer car, no rusty bolts or anything to fight with. As you can see, we went with EBC. I went with the grooved and vented rotors, help the cooling, help the cleaning, and yellow stuff pads. Yellow stuff pads are their top seller, and it's a great balance between just your daily driving, but you need a lot more performance when you oversize tires, or if you drive like a lunatic and you need to get on the brakes hard a lot, these are gonna be your friend. All right, I think that sums it up. I'm excited. I wanna get this out on the road. I'm gonna do a quick break-in process, and then I'm gonna find a off-ramp on the thruway and just level these pads and see if I can tell any difference. Totally scientific. Hop in, let's go. All right, we've had two cutoffs. There is nobody around me. I'm going 65 miles an hour. It's an exit that most people don't use. Let's see if I can do this brake test. Again, well, I think this is it. There's nobody here. Nobody got off in front of me. All right, I'm gonna hang on. I'm gonna clobber these as soon as I get on the straight exit. 3, 2, 1, brake. Yeah, there's definitely a difference. Again, we've learned nothing, but I do like these pads. All right, follow for more Rover content.